Kids, why are you sitting here looking so tired? We don't have any energy to play. That's because you haven't had your milk today. I am full of calcium and vitamins. I make your bones strong and give you energy. I am like a superhero for your body. Milk helps you grow and keep your teeth and bones healthy. You should drink it every day. Me too. I want to fart. Healthy and healthy. Thank you, milk. Remember, drink your milk every day. You will have my superpower. About healthy and junk food. Healthy food and junk food. Healthy food helps us to grow body and mind. We should eat fruits and green vegetables. Healthy food contains protein and vitamins. Some examples of healthy food are banana, mango, apple, etc. Junk food is very bad for our health. It has very low nutritional value. It damages our digestive system. We should avoid junk food. Some examples of junk food are pizza, burger, donut, etc.